Okay, my name is Jean-Eddie Louis. I'm from Long Island, New York. Before I came here, I was working as a insurance agent. Nowadays, it's not easy in the finance world. So I decided to move since I had a background in the IT. Then let me get a training, and then I said, let me see what it looks like. And then that's what compelled me to be here today. There are many components that interest me at that point. It was the short amount of time, the boot camp, and the grant. Because if they're giving you a grant, it's not a joke. It's not something that's it's not a bed and switch. So therefore, I said, let me go and see what it looks like. But it is very impressive. Hands-on was intensive, stressful, but great. Because at the end of the day, you're gonna go home with a lot of experiences. So this is things that I used to see my engineer do when I used to work as an IT. But right now, I realize this is doable for me. This is possible at this point. This is a very impressive experience because I've been to training before, but not that way. You will go to a training, after a while you go outside, you go to whatever you do, but this one really intensive. From the time you start till the time you're leaving, there was still training, and that was great. I thought after the first day I was gonna be sleeping but the thing was so interesting that when the time for you to go to sleep, you still have things to do. This is more hands-on and more intensive because right now, the amount of knowledge that you get, this is something that you'll get maybe for 2 or 3 years somewhere else.